Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be growing mung beans microgreens in soil. They are very nutritious and easy to grow, so let's start. To help mung beans germinate quickly, pre-soak the seeds in room temperature water for a few hours. I soaked these for 20 hours and some of them has already germinated. I'm using universal potting soil, but you can choose growing medium that fits you. Spray the soil with water and try to spread the seeds on it as evenly as possible. Add thin layer of soil on the top of the seeds and spray with water again. If you are flattening the surface and your seeds have sprouts already, be careful not to break them. You can also add some weight on top. It will help you achieve equal height of the seedlings. Four days after planting and little seedlings are already pushing their way out of the soil. The weight on top is holding back the first sprouted beans and letting the other ones to catch up to them. Ten days after planting, mung beans microgreens are ready to harvest. If you want to have tall microgreens, all you have to do is put them in a dark place for first few days. Mung beans microgreens are great for stir fry. With onion, garlic and a little bit of salt, you can make crunchy and nutty flavored addition to any dish, or even eat it alone. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See ya!